Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever felt like your Wix website's menu just isn't quite matching your brand or giving your visitors the best experience, today's tutorial is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to change the design of your Wix site menu, including creating a customized drop-down menu that looks cleaner, feels more intuitive, and just fits your site better. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to organize and style your menu so it's not only easy for visitors to navigate, but also makes your site look more polished and professional. So let's jump right in and get started together. First, head over to your Wix website. I recommend logging in and making sure you're in the Wix Editor, not just the dashboard. This way, you'll have full access to see your site the way your visitors would. Take a look at your main page. There at the top, you'll see your site's navigation menu. For most sites, this is usually a horizontal menu that runs across the header. That's the area we'll be working on today. Now, click to select the horizontal menu itself. You'll notice little handles or boxes appear around the menu showing that it's been selected. This is important because it tells Wix you're about to make changes specifically to your navigation, so double-check you're not selecting a text box or some other element by mistake. Once you've got the right menu selected, move on to the next step. Find and click the Manage Menu button. If you don't see it right away, it's usually an option that pops up in the little floating bar or panel near your menu once it's selected. This button basically opens the back-end structure of your site's navigation, letting you add, remove, or rearrange pages in your menu. Think of it as the blueprint for how your visitors move around your site. Once you're inside the menu management area, look for the option to Add Menu Item. This is where you can introduce new links or create grouping areas for existing pages. Go ahead and click Add Menu Item, and this is the moment we start building our custom drop-down menu. Next, from the options presented, select Dropdown rather than just a standard page or link. The dropdown works a bit like a file folder. It lets you tuck several pages or sections underneath a main heading, so instead of cluttering your menu bar, you can group related content together and create a more streamlined and organized look. Rename the dropdown to Main Menu. You can choose any name that fits your site, but Main Menu is a solid starting point and really clear for visitors. Just click on the dropdown item and type in your new title. Here's the key organizing step now. Simply drag all the relevant titles or pages underneath the main menu dropdown. You can do this by clicking and holding on each item, then dragging it just a little to the right so it nests underneath the dropdown. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have lots of pages you want to include. Don't worry if it feels fiddly. Wix is pretty forgiving, and you can always rearrange the items later if something isn't quite right. Once you've got all your items neatly placed under your new dropdown, that's it. Your site menu will now feature a customized drop-down that brings clarity and tidiness to your navigation, making things simpler for your visitors and giving your site a more professional vibe. Remember, you can always preview the site to be sure everything looks and works the way you want before publishing. And there you go, you've just learned how to change the design of your Wix site menu and create a drop-down that organizes your content beautifully. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more tips, drop a comment below. I always try to reply and help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more web design guides and easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.